Make space for Spacemaker, the AI-powered design tool that gives planners and architects the confidence to make better decisions. With Spacemaker, make the most of every potential site. From day one, make more spaces, make better spaces, make better neighbourhoods. Make the sun shine in every window, make all the views viewable. Make noise disappear. Make fresh air flow through. Make the environment a priority. Make all the living spaces livable. Actually, make the city livable. Make light work of the planning process. Make collaboration a breeze. Make decisions based on data in real time. Make time savings. Lots of savings. Make the numbers work. Make the most of your sellable area. Make Spacemaker easy to learn? It already is. Now, make Spacemaker part of the team. Make better planning decisions from day one. Make better cities.